President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
With under 50 days to go until the U.S. election, Donald Trump continues to flout his own administration's coronavirus guidelines. In a country with the worst known COVID-19 outbreak in the world, with more than 6.5 million confirmed cases and a death toll nearing 200,000. Trump's Sunday rally in Nevada, his first major indoor campaign event in nearly 3 months, was held despite warnings from local leaders. People in the crowd were seated close together, and many did not wear masks. The city of Henderson, where the rally took place, announced Monday it was fining the host venue $3,000 for violating the state's limit of public gatherings to no more than 50 people. Trump and his team defending his events as peaceful protests protected by the First Amendment and saying they're taking health precautions like temperature checks. On Monday, another large indoor event, hundreds of Trump supporters gathering in Phoenix for a Latinos for Trump roundtable, where many did not wear masks. Back in June, Trump's rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma, was blamed for a surge of virus infections there. And on Tuesday at the White House, where Trump hosted the signing ceremony that saw Israel establish formal ties with 2 Arab states, the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain, there was little social distancing and masks were not required. The event was outdoors, though, but among those in the large crowd were Israeli officials just days before Israel becomes the first country to reimpose a coronavirus lockdown amid a big outbreak there. The Times of Israel reporting even now, before the lockdown goes into effect, large gatherings like the signing ceremony would have been banned in Israel, which caps outdoor crowds in communities with low infection rates at 250 people. Now, Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden, who has seemingly consistently limited the number of people around him when seen in public, taking his campaign to Florida Tuesday. Biden wearing a mask at the table, focusing on Latino voters and veterans during his stop in the battleground state, where opinion polls in Florida show a tight race against Trump. Melissa Duggan, City News.
But it really is amazing. I mean, you just have to